Hello everybody, I'm back, and this time we're going to do another origami video. So, we started with origami Yoda, then Darth Paper struck back, then the Fortune Wookiee came, and R2 taught us how to make stuff, then Jabba had a surprise attack, and now the next one. It's time for the princess to come to the rescue. That's right, Princess Labelmaker. Here are a few versions of the princess I have. This one is actually more kurigami than origami because I used a whole bunch of different paper to make it. But still, the way I made it, still it works good. It works as a finger puppet. That's the most important part. Well, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple one, or a simpler one. It's gonna be the one I'm gonna show you how to do is gonna be this one. She's got a determined look on her face, and I'm kind of not pleased with the face I drew on this one. She needs to look determined and. Anyway, I again forgot to go get some paper. Okay, to fold Princess Labelmaker, start with a whole sheet of paper, like what we did with Jabba. Now begin by folding your paper into thirds. Okay, now, hold on, there, you couldn't see that. Now, fold these over. Then this over. So now you got this. Turn it to the side and fold this over. And then open it up. Mount and fold the crease so that it's now, you can fix it onto the inside. So now her hair bun piece right here is straight and not crooked. Now if you want to, this would be a good time to color her face. I'll be right back. I mean her hair. brown's a bit darker than what I'd like. So I'm just gonna kind of color it lightly. Like, that's probably about as dark as I'm gonna get. Now, this is going to probably be a good time to color in her hair. Determining the way we're going to make her hair buns. Whoa. Whoops, forgot this corner. Now, don't worry if in the corners, like here, and here, you get a little bit of color there, because when we do the last folds, that's gonna get tucked out of sight. Okay. Just try, when you're coloring in her hair, try not to get it on her face. She doesn't want a messy face. I mean, she's got to be a beautiful princess. And try to be careful, especially if you're someone who's kind of like me and has trouble staying in between the lines when coloring. Okay, I think I'm done. Now, flip to the back, fold these triangles over. Hopefully they'll meet perfectly in the middle. They do not meet perfectly in the middle. Oh well. Princess Labelmaker might have kind of a sloppy hairdo. Fold it back, forth, to make her hair bun. See? Hold on, I messed up. Oh, and folks, I'm sorry about how long this video is taking. Now we've got her hair buns, and looks like she's gonna kind of have a bit of a sloppy hairdo. Anyway, now time for the big moment. fold her head, fold the top down. That's to make her head. And we got Princess Labelmaker, except for one thing. We're gonna fold the corners and round out the top of her head a little bit. And we're gonna do the chin too, especially the chin. Makes her. You should probably do the chin too if you're doing this, because it makes her look a lot more attractive. Well, you got Princess Labelmaker now. Let's give her a face. Two eyes. Do eyebrows like that. And whatever this wrinkle thing is. And you've got Princess Labelmaker. Does she look determined? Yeah, I guess she does kind of look determined. And well, folks, that's Princess Labelmaker. Now, you could fold these out and make her dress, but I've tried to do that before, and it doesn't really work. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed making Princess Labelmaker, and you can even, I'm just going to put her on top of another one I did, a label maker. But, this one, this version is still Princess Labelmaker-like. Oh, and if you've never read the book, which you may or may not have read the book, you should read it. And may the force be with you always. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And may the force be with you always.